Hey there, welcome to Angel Next Door. So, Angel Next Door is a website that we have released to help people connect with their neighbors and seek help or offer help, be an angel. The way this website works is pretty simple. I'm going to give you a walkthrough. So, the first thing that you have to do is go to your browser and type angelnextdoor.com.au to open up this website. Now, you might not find this on Google as yet because we have just launched this website, just launched this domain, so it takes a bit of time for Google to index that. The way it works is that you can offer help to be an angel or you can seek help. But the very first thing that you have to do is, if you click on any of them, is create an account if you do not have an account already. So over here you click and create an account. Let's say I'll create an account for myself. I'll just say amir.qtube at enterprisemonkey.com.au. After that, I'll enter my mobile number 0468 688 That's okay, that's a public number, everyone can access it. And I'll click on send code. Once I click on send code, I'll receive a text message on my phone. This text message gives me the code. I'll just wait for the text message to appear. Here's the text message, and I'll copy the code. Now the code over here is 8209. I'll enter that. Now this is asked me to enter your address. Now this address remains safe. We use it to just trace your location. Now if you see a pop-up like this popping up, press escape on your keyboard and then start typing your address. Say I'll type in my address, 33 Mackey Street. If again this pops up here, press escape, because what you want to do is you want to select it from a Google field. So say 33 Mackey Street, North Geelong, Victoria. I have done that. I'll enter my password. Make sure it's a safe password, and I'll create an account. Now once I create an account, it says that thank you for registering at Angel Next Door. Your account is active, so you don't have to do anything else. You just have to log in using the same account that you created. So the account that I created, I think it was amir.qtube at enterprisemonkey.com.au and 123456, and I'll be able to log in there. Now will show login from an existing account, amir at enterprisemonkey.com.au, and show you how the dashboard inside works. Sorry, I've just put in the wrong password. I'll enter the right password and click login. Now I am in the right dashboard. Sorry, this keeps popping up. Now you can see my request, my offers, my profile, seek help, and offer help. So if you want to offer help to someone, you can click on offer help and it will show you the people in your area who need help. The first one I see is already been helped. The second one is already been helped. Third one is not being helped. They need something. So a way to actually offer help is click on offer help or click on view details. It will come up with further detail, and then click on offer to help. As soon as you will click on offer to help, they will receive a text message saying that there's someone has sent you an offer. A chat window would pop up. You can put some details, say I have some spare sugar and so on, and then you can press the send message. Now if you want to seek help or make a request, you click on seek help. It comes up with this window where it says ask for help. What do you need help with? Say I need help with, I have run out of milk, for example. Or maybe you need some help with business or jobs or whatever. You can select the category from here, enter your suburb, say Warren Ponds, or again this the full thing will not be visible to your members or the other members, so you can actually enter your address for a more accurate location, 33 Mackey Street. And we have given this feature so that you can actually seek help for a different area as well. For example, if your father is somewhere and you want something to be delivered to them, say deliver some water or whatever to my parents or my kids or whatever it is, and in the description you click description and click on post your request. Once you post your request, Your requests will appear to other people. Everyone will get a notification in your area that you need help. And over here, you will see the request. So this is a request that I posted earlier, which says needs t-shirts painted for Angel Next Door, blah, blah, blah. And this is where you see current offers. I do not have a current offer at the moment, but if I had a current offer, I would see the name of the person with a chat button over here, so that I could click and accept chat from that person. If you go to my offers, this is where you see the offers that you have made. So remember, we made an offer to Alex who needed some sugar. I can click on chat and I can chat further from here. So that's pretty simple. I think the only thing that I have not shown you is the chat option over here. I'll actually do a log out and I'll log in as another user and show you how to do that. So I'll just use this. And now if I've logged in from an account where there should be a chat, I go to my requests and I can see all the current offers over here. If you see a blue dot, which means someone has actually sent you a chat request, you click on chat and then talk to that person as well. What you will also see is once you have offers from people, you will also see this option to accept those offers. So suppose I want to accept Mancy's offer, I'll first of all talk to them. If I'm happy with the chat, I'll click on accept. Once I click on accept, it says give your feedback, leave a thanks, so just say thanks a lot, Mancy, and press send. Once you will press send, everything else would be disabled. So let's do that. Now, because this is a demo version, you're not exactly seeing what's going to happen, but if you see over here, this your request has been accepted. Everything else, every other button is blurred out, which means you have already accepted. A message goes to Mancy saying thanks. A message goes to each and everyone else saying thanks for their offer. And what you would see is that your offer over here, which was need some sugar, has been marked as held. Well, enjoy your time with Angel Next Door. Seek help, offer help. Just help out as much as you can. We need it. The whole community needs it. Thank you so much for your time. Let's log in to angelnextdoor.com.au and start browsing.